Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalong ka ay jing kemen ka bakraw yi ki jaka puli bakin yo ban rung hakathup jong ka top 10 hadin ka jing pen banai ka result higher secondary school leaving certificate haka science but commerce stream bala pen banai ka Meghalaya Board of School Education habala pej benya ya ka result bala pen mi menta ka sngi ka khandai trik u jemmang arajar arthulai la shem bana pedeng ki Khynnah puli ki badai ki Khasi ki don saungut ki papau kerteng ha ka thup top 10 jong ka science but laingut ki papau ha ka top 10 jong ka commerce ki Khynnah puli Khasi ki bala yo ban rung ha ka top 10 ha ka commerce stream ki don saungut ki ba kinthom ya ka Kiba lamti marwen na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Unangkrau lalu na Mausanram Border Area Higher Secondary School Mausanram u Eliza Litam na St Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong bat kadayairi Nongrem na Anderson Higher Secondary School Upper New Nongston kat bahaga science stream ki Khynnah Khasi ki don laingut ki bala yo rung ha ka top jong ka top 10 ki bakin top ye ka Steffi Niza W Snaitang na St Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong ka Sharmin Khongsit na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School bat ka Samjanai Sinna na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong habayo manya keren bat ki arngut ki Khynnah puli Khasi ni ka school St Edmunds Higher Secondary School ki bakin top ye ka Steffi ka balayo ye ka second position ha ka science stream but u Eliza Litem balayo ya ka position ka bakhandai ha ka commerce stream ki la penpa ba wat lagi jing ki don ha ka por ba ki pinkre banya khon ye ka examen Henry ne ka jing ia jong ublei ki te ki jing ki ja no
ka kating jong ka Stephanie za watches natin layo ka lain ka baal ka science stream so comment shisha number dila jawab shay ki jing doi jong but besides that ngai iba ka ta hard work jong ka la way off ha ka shi sing to de yo shiti te sa shpukunda dam yo shuti te ta to akanta e ngam la pan ngadi bri bom jukista dia ngam diri ibri bala tiamit te ta de ke jilong jong kitchen e te kindan be kitchen e te kam di shusub be te kitchen e kidan ko ba kre pat dan ki ba no te challenges bom so thu ani hante tamba de jing ai ble pe de la kan clarify king ki te ki doubts sa be tuition ki subject ba yo high is the chemistry but physics the chemistry me yo 99 ka physics me yo 97 hanga ka ultimate aim janga ka di civil services di ha minta pada plan ban graduate shop and studying maths BSc maths simultaneously I'll be grooming myself for the civil service examination tangan hapan mon discuss with the parents ningkong ay tanga ay play try jisu ang enjoy number shisha klam ka jing ay ka jong ka jing da ka jong ganun laban dan ay pangalang menta but shisha pangayo results nila si masyong bay buram show number ngadi bri bamla mo na ladi par okay jing besides that I know ki pa kat ki pasha te kata ka motivation jong ki ang aman ka porno judan malaban ai na si me ka ba ai ki pa ki dan hasanna jong man ka por te ai de men para ki bahing sa mo ki jing duai ki parno par jo jong ro ba ki best siya te ya ka school has played a major role in the success of brother Benjamin and all the teachers concerned. I like the parents. Honestly, kapag mga pinakaya nga ay ka 100% janga. Di ka aim janga kaya ba nanlib ha? Di of course kani ba niyo rank madani. Tamangam judan any particular rank hakli. Second ng judan kata. Ang kaya ba what really matters is to give my best. Di ka kata. Di ba mantas niro makidid hi na makakan pagkat. Kawai kumba ngajuang hi ki part of our judge nga diban bu shay blay mala da bu you blay kaman kachim ngam ang pala pa kalong sup Bo beli uya lang deh ada final pun beli kemat buat cendai dia hadin kata be consistent lagi ikut berfikir ada fikir itu kena subject give you 100% film dia belong 50% once you're into something give your 100% give your best whatever you do be consistent but kantang hakapor bapen create especially at class 12 bakalang lomba set aside all distractions ka phone ko way over distract ha di ladalong kemaju ang hi bernubu pit ha switch off mo but ngarang ngajili punta ada ngakya pa switch off ko phone ngabush ko ka kamera namar ha ka each group jing te ka long tempting pan kita ko phone mo hindi of course the priorities jing happen long pick ko kachwa and happen discuss with parents hadin ka results magazine and happen yes, I'll be appearing for the CUET examination as well. So, yes.
Opening conference kami palat ada participant di ONG Generation tam cho i mo di kadang Generation tam cho i anlong i kom ni mo vi info ke uso shisha di nga ai mo you play ai yo e kadang jam shisha ko ma pi ong ma pi bi di lagi Khasi mo di nga so ba ka we undan sha ka bom la ka shong bet ka Generation tam ka tahi ko bachu ang ide shay naso ban ai ko buram shuble sha mo vi ide shay ba treshi tom ke na di ti ho oi kum ki ki pa ni encourage e pensionor mo ti re kadikata hi ka cooperation yo bhana i mala dangi ka jing treshi tom ji ki pa khat ru na da ki ko ni kim cooperate ka jinjar tingas ngo shisha ai ngo uble mat nga kadesha ka jintrish tom chi nakata kaliang te ngam ju ai lat hi entry kam ngala judan hi kan ka jing khat ya ka bangala hi ban le hi kadang la bangale hi kadang la i ba i kre kwat mga da ai kam kamot ngala tu e ko por chu kata hi tadin bangla yo e ka result na kendet hi ti henry kakum kata ka jing pet kata ka jing trish tom chu i te tang kata hi ngong ilayo i ke e ka ila trish tom ka wi bangadon ban ong ni ki kemi ki pa ka no ba ka we ni haban shururi ki khon ke e ka ba ki kat kum ka jing la jong ki ke mo ya kata ka jing la jong ki ya kata hi ni kershan in support ki kemi ki pa
na kerting chunga Elisa ditep ngadai na Shampung West Changi Hills but nga yo ka 9 position kane ka Hsslc exam ka stream commerce to nga top ka chings document ba hadian bangala tip ba ka nga yo ka 9 position kane ka exam ka mi ki paru na kinong kai kunju dan ni nga plan ban BBA ane ha Anthony nga ko anlong specialize ka ni marketing bangayo iba ka technology kanne kala improve ha ko ban digital marketing kumba teacher ru kila ho pi jana kila ru kila juang ngam la ban yo position ha board untar ngada kata kala arung bet hanga nada ngas la expect kikenta tanga ngam ju calculate madoro ngaju kat banga snow kat banga snow kamang sakaweru nga focus bah quality banyak kanika quantity kanu kanta kijing ta tangkri subject ru tamba aku apan ong kowe kino ke subject ru tadapi learn hi basics function sing air kanu wow mark pahe entrepreneurship ngayo 99 nang ta hadin once account 94 business unta ta inspiration ngas suam ta kumba experience ona ngasu tuition dong aklam dai ngasu undan kambe mobile phone to sim advantage ni ke teknologi bagane advice bagala ban a ta inha kumba ong mane bila ban fokus ha ke quality ban quantity bikre sakaweru long consistent.
Đập comment at the board. Anh play or the done dekat lembar ni ang dikepor bat kunjungi kunjangnya penglego lepas bahag di exam ada kecil terang itu rumah terang kumanga terang na duk tadi por bangan dam ila yuru pat mo ada kecil kemen aku kemi pat ay nguru ya ang magpuram ko lito siya di nung hikay ta na do ba nagito nung hikay di ba na do bala hikay na do dakat na ro ngala ay ko blay pangitiro pat kung sui ka nila school ikini nung hikay jong ka nila school na ay ko blay ka pangiki pagala la pan hikay tayo kung jong nga po siya na katong nagaching trish tong jong na kung jong nga la po siya katong julay julay kita tuition ro julay pat usyo kan baik no banong yelek bete batang nila de himan boleh jom ngajmu tu hi tang bangam dot ban short te no ada kiwi kimi jong ki Khynnah bagian ai body di Khynnah bagian ai bin same ai body di bagian yo lab ban boleh patang yai matrish tong kat.
Good afternoon. I am Brother Agnalo Benjamin, Principal of St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School. Meghalaya Board declared its results for Science and Commerce. And for us in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School, it has been a very proud moment. We have two students of ours who have secured ranks. Steffi, who has secured the second place in Science, and the 9th place in Commerce was secured by Eliezer. Both these students have been outstanding in their own ways. Students who worked hard both in class 11 and class 12. So we are happy that their dream has been fulfilled. These are students who have made us proud today. We hope and pray that they will continue to work hard in their future studies and bring laurels to their institution. It is also a proud moment for us teachers who work hard in class 11 and class 12 in grooming these students, in preparing these students for the board exam. There's a lot of hard work that goes in bringing students to a certain standard, to a certain level. So I would like to thank and congratulate all our teachers who have taught these students, teachers who have given that extra bit to them to help them. I also like to congratulate all our other students who have passed this exam. Many have got first class, second class, and many have just passed. We are happy that all these students have done well. I also take this opportunity to wish these students, as they move on in their career of higher education, that they may continue to do well wherever they may be studying. 2023 has been a good year for us. We've secured the best results. Last year, we did pretty well. We're also keeping in mind that a good number of these students went through schooling during the COVID time, and many of them would have missed out on classroom experience. But I would say that a lot of these students who came here for class 11 and 12 were able to rise to the occasion. They were able to work hard, including our teachers who worked hard with them and brought these students to a certain level, to a certain standard, and prepared them well for the board exam. Today, if we see good results, it's because of the hard work of all these students who kind of put aside their COVID experience, their experience in school, which was not very, which was not very positive because of COVID, but they have worked hard in 11 and 12, and today we feel proud of them. The results today were announced to the whole school. All the students in the school are aware of the rank holders and all the other students who have passed. I'm sure that these students will be models to the present batch of class 12. Many of them know Steffi and Eliezer personally. So I'm sure these students would be models to them, and they would try to be like them as far as possible, work hard, and give us good results in 2024. Yeah, in science we had 207 students appearing, and in commerce we had 81 students appearing. We were just doing some calculations. We've had 96% pass results.